I just want one girl, I don't play no games. I'm telling you straight up, you can take my name. I'm no Casanova, I'm more like a soldier, fighting for my chance to make you feel the same. Do you love me, or do you love me not? Do you think I'm ugly, or do you think I'm hot? If you have nothing, could I be all you got? If there is something, could we tie the knot? Could you ever love a boy like me? You might be the one to give me what I need. I want romance, I want peace, serenity. Could you ever love a boy like me? Could you spend your whole summer just with me? We could lay all day on LA Beach, and we stare into our eyes until we see. Could you ever love a boy like me? Like me? Yeah, sorry if I'm a little too pretty. I just like the bright side of the city. I just like to always smile when you're with me. What's the point of being sad when we're living? Why we gotta act too hard? This is no Mario Kart. Get a head start, no stirring, no pot, no chicken, no flat, Baby girl, be the best part, Baby girl, I need you like water. Wanna rip it off like starter. Honey, can you be on top like matcha? If you fall down, girl, I gotcha. I need you every day like sriracha. Shake it up, cha-cha. Could you ever love a boy like me? You might be the one to give me what I need. I want romance, I want peace, serenity. Could you ever love a boy like me? Could you spend your whole summer just with me? We could lay all day on melody, and we stare into our eyes until we sleep. Could you ever love a boy like me? Do you love me, or do you love me not? Do you think I'm ugly, or do you think I'm hot? If you have nothing, could I be all you got? If there is something, tie the knot.
So these were made by my dance moms of Nkauj Sing. If you notice, it's a heart keychain. Half side is Hmong, half side is Lao. All about unity. Let's start with that, and then we keep going. Is that okay? Oh shoot! Hey, so it's kind of windy. See? You want one? Let's get it. Anybody else? You too. Thank you. I got 2 left. Thank you for accepting this heart. Oi. Oi. Can I give somebody this rose? Hey, can you give it to him? Yeah, just give it to him. That man's loud. Let's get it. Can I get my towel? Oh yeah, I wanted to give this away. What am I doing? Can I get a towel? That's why I became a singer and not an MLB player. I don't understand aerodynamic. This song's called Hmoob Girls. That's a song that Hmoob Girls like. Hold on, can we stop this? Can you play? Yeah, that, what the? It was that one? Huh, we're missing the song to Hmoob Girls. Okay.
Naja, am I saying it right or I'm wrong? I'm just trying to get you along. Baby, can you dance to this song? Yeah, I know that I ain't saying it right, but I've been trying to talk to you all night. Your fair skin really glows in the light, and it's unfair that you wore what I like. You cast spells like a shaman do. I really can't take my eyes off you. The way you smile, it can make the noise like how'd you killed every dude in the room, yeah. This girl is pretty, I really am not steady. I might get silly if one dances with me. Come on, come on. Take one step forward if you want, then one step back just for fun. Then clap your hands, cause this one's for home girls, pretty and grown girls, city to home girls, silly and strong girls. This one's for home girls. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey. This one's for home girls. Luca, do you see me in your future? I don't ever wanna lose ya. Once more, I want you to be my baby. Will you be my lady? Gusanya ka, Gusanya ka, Gusanya ka, Gusanya ka, Gusanya ka. This one's for more. Come on, take one step forward if you want, and one step back just for fun. Then clap your hands, cause this one's for home girls, pretty and grown girls, city to home girls, silly and strong girls. This one's for home girls. This one's for home girls. No, y'all got more. No, y'all got more. No, y'all got more.
Can I take a minute to introduce y'all to them? Can y'all come up? Come on. On the screen, I had the sponsors, because I wanted to thank the sponsors. We want to thank everybody that brought us here. This is Tshwj Sing from Fresno. Thank you so much for having us, and thank you for everybody that believed in us. Thank you. I'm gonna post the pic, and then I'm gonna put the sponsors, everybody that helped, on there. It's supposed to be up there. Just know I tried. Do you remember that one song you accidentally played? We're gonna do that one. Give me a... So last year was the first time I ever did this for the first SABAIDEE Fest, and it became viral, and then now I'm kind of stuck doing it. And so usually I'll always choose a random person